Let's get an update on the plants. We've got some California poppy, some celery, some carrots, burdock, some oregano. We've got the toothache plant, some comfrey, teasel roots coming in good. Look at the baby corn. We've got some beets over here. Some parsley. Fortunately, my skull cap isn't doing anything. Blue lobelia. We've got one little sprout there. Chili peppers. Doing good. Got some red onion back there. We've also got some carrots and some baby carrots, along with some green onions. Peas are doing good. Down here, nothing's really doing good. We're going to put more light in here. But there's more beets, spaghetti squash, and the pak choi, and the bok choy is doing wonderfully. So in the ones that really aren't growing, we're going to go ahead and add more seeds, going to add more lighting, a little bit of heat, see what we can do. Stay healthy, friends.